Okay guys, on this video we're doing how to change the tail light, which is also the brake light, in this section right here for a 1998 Oldsmobile Aurora. And if you want, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's at Global Effect 1969. Just gotta put that in there. First thing you need, you gotta open the trunk. Make sure you pop the trunk. There we go. Of course, I closed the trunk just to show you that you have to pop the trunk, but this Coke wasn't sitting there open. I just opened it. Not making a Coca-Cola commercial at the same time, but that sure dang tastes good right there. Coca-Cola. Drink Coke while you're working. Anyway, to change out this the lights in here, you need a screwdriver. There's a screw in there you're gonna pull out. You need a torque bit. There's 2 torque bits right there. 1, 2. Okay, this is pretty simple, guys. Show you how it's done right here. Real easy to do. Of course, mine are working, but I'm just making a video so I can show you how to do it. If anybody's got to change out their tail light or brake light on a 1998 Oldsmobile Aurora, you got a fill up in there. You got to pull out little screw. Hope that didn't work out. I'm trying to pull it out of the magnet, but it's already loose. Let me get it out of there. There it goes. It's hard to get that little sucker out of there. Make sure you put it away. Don't lose it, because you're gonna need it to put it back on. Now I come to this side. You got 2 little torque bits right here, and I believe it's a T15. T15 is what it is. T15. Okay, the T15, got 2 on the pull out. Boom, it's out. It's out. Okay, we got those 2. So we got the fill up, the 2 little T15 torques. Now we're gonna come to the inside of the car. Come inside here right quick. See if I can get this camera back far enough to show you what I gotta do. This on here. This right here unscrews, okay? What you're gonna do is just twist it, unscrew it. Get that out of there. Put it down this side. Pick up your Coke if you're still thirsty. Get a drink. This cover right here, you're gonna pull it to the side. Now you're gonna run into 2 more of those little suckers. Got 1 there and 1 here. You're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna unscrew those. That's what's holding that fixture outside for the light. So you actually got 3. You had the one we pulled off when the cover was on. You're pulling this off. Now that we got that off, you can come over here. Now you can pull this off. You can pull that out right quick. Hold on. Now you can just wiggle it to get out of there. Alright, we got it, guys. Got this sucker out of the way. Now, same thing. These right here, they're easy. You just twist. You're gonna twist on there. Twist and it pop out. Light just pull out. Put it back in if you're done. Once you change it out, put it back in there. Line up. You got different little sections here. Line it up the way it goes. Which is mine. Try not to get away the camera there. There it is right there. Now, if I can get this over here, let me get the camera and show you how to pull that off. Okay, what I wanted to show you right here. When you go to pull it off, there's this little clip right here in the way. Not gonna let you really. Gonna give you a hard time. You try to turn it. So you see this? You're gonna push down on it. When you push down on it, it'll bypass that little clip. That's when you push down, then twist. So you want to get it, back it up a little bit, push down, twist, push down, twist. Then you can get your light out of there. See? And then when you go put it back on, remember, you got those grooves. They're different like that. Just snap it back in there, line up the little grooves. Just twist it back on. Now you're back on. See that? That's how easy it is. Mine needs to be cleaned out, man. This is all dirty right here. But I bought this vehicle and I've been working on it. I got videos on it as I'm working on it. Eventually I'll get there and clean this out, man. But when you go put it back in, same thing. Same way you pulled it out. Slide that in. We'll just make sure you don't pinch your wire. Your wire be hooked out of the way. Slide this in right there. Okay, put the camera down so I can get this done the right way. I have trouble. Get that, move that. And what, the other day, there was I had to replace all those lights before. Okay, I don't know how to deal with it anyway. Let me put this back in. Just slide it back in where you got it from. There you go, good to go. This right here. Slide back in. I want to put this on first, so that way you tighten that too much on the back. You're gonna have trouble getting this back in there. You suck it in too far where you can't get it in there. So if I was you, I'll just put that back on first. See, so you can line it up like right here it's ready. That's a good idea because you gotta come in at an angle right here. See, have to slide in back between that. So yeah, definitely put that on first. Then you can screw it back. This is how easy it is to change your lights right there. So those are your two lights you got to change. That's for your brake light and your tail light. There you go. Now you can put that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in too first. I can only go so far. Now this is a screw one. Remember, you got a screw one. Get that in there. And don't put that too tight. You don't want to break this plastic. Just snug it right there. That was snug. Now you're in right there. Now you're gonna go to the inside. Put it back together. On the inside now. All you're gonna do is put the stuff back that you took off. So which is this one right here. Just kind of hold the tail light outside a little bit so you don't push it out by accident and leave it sticking out more than, you don't leave it sticking out. Don't tighten it too much and break these nuts. They're just like plastic nuts right here. If you forget where this one goes, just remember, go like that, and that's the top one. I mean, this goes in the bottom one. Put that on there. There you go, guys. Good to go. Just put all this back. Look, this clip came loose. This clip is loose. Put it in there. That's the ground clip. You're good to go. Put that back. Put this one back. The reason this one's here, this one's gonna hold this thing. That's why it's on the outside part. It holds this thing in, so you got this stays in holding like that. See? So now you just screw this one in. You're good to go, guys. And that is how you change the tail light or your brake light. You got to change back here for 1998 Oldsmobile Aurora. Same thing for here. Same thing. Pull out that one. Pull those two out. Come over here. Take this one out. And then you get to the inside. Pull the other two out. And you're good to go. As a matter of fact, on this, really you shouldn't have to take these two off. Just pull off this one. Just pull off this one. Leave these two here. Pull off this one. And when you pull off the back part, it should come right off without having to. That screw out. Yeah, but you don't have to do extra work and pull it if you can't. Because a lot of people, it's hard to find that. They don't got that T9 nut. So, I'm trying to set you up right here, man. To pull this off. Remember, that's what holds this cover. And we got the other two right here, guys. 1, 2. We're gonna pull those off. I'm gonna do that right quick because I wasn't gonna do this side, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this side because you really don't. I don't think you really got to pull off the T9 ones. I think it's just a screw and these three right here, and you're good to go. So I got that off. Now, yep, there you go. So you don't even got to pull those off if you really want to. Same thing as here. Twist these to pull them off. Look how dirty that is, man. Just twist these to pull them off when you're done. Put it back in. So actually, you don't even got to pull off the T9, so that'll save you work. So if you wanted them to watch the whole video, you didn't have to go through that extra step. Most of the video, I should say. Just go back in here. Push it in from the outside if you want to make sure you get a tight fit on there. Screw that back. There it goes. Got that pretty tight. Remember, it goes on the bottom. Both of them go towards the bottom. And you put this flap back over here. There you go. Remember, this is right here because it holds this thing. That's what's holding this cover. Screw that in. There you go, guys. Got that in. The lights in. Got both of them in. That's how you change your brake light and tail light for a 1998 Oldsmobile Aurora. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe. I got more videos coming for this vehicle. And yeah, got that on there. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want, subscribe to Global Effect 1969 on YouTube. That's me, guys. Come on, give me some help. Subscribe, please. Thank you.